Hi, students. Your teacher has assigned you a book called Superfriend Instruction Manual. This is a digital class book that your class will be making together. You are responsible for one page in the class book. Your teacher should have assigned you a number. You will look for the page with that number in the top right corner, and you will complete only that page. So, for example, if my teacher assigned me page 6, I would look through the slides and I see how this one has a 1 in the top right corner. I would look for the one with a 6 in the top right corner. So this would be my page to complete. I'm going to go back to page 1 and show you my completed page. Here is my completed page for how to be a super friend. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to add a picture of your head atop the superhero body. So I'm going to go to the next page, a blank page, to show you how to do this. When I'm ready to add my picture, I am going to go up to Insert, Image, and if you have an image on your device, you can click Upload from Computer. If you do not, you can use the camera to snap a photo of yourself right now. I have a picture on my computer, so I am going to click Upload. I'm going to find my picture and insert it. Now you can see that's a little large, and I only want the head. So I need to crop my picture. I'm going to crop it by double-clicking on the picture. When I double-clicked, I got these little black lines that showed up in the corners and the top and the bottom and the sides. I'm going to click on the side black line and drag it all the way beside the head, the other black line and drag it all the way beside the head, the top black line and drag it down to the top of the head, the bottom black line and drag it all the way up to the chin so that all I have is the face. When I've cropped it, then I'm going to click outside and just tap anywhere outside of the cropped image to make it go away. Now I'm left with just the head. I'm going to drag that over to the superhero body, but I notice it's too large. I'm going to click on one of the blue squares in a corner and drag, and that will make my head smaller. And then I'm going to drag it up and position it on the body. I'm going to make it a little larger and try to center it right on the body. There, that works for me. Once you have the head atop your superhero body, then you are going to give your superhero self a name. Now, if you read the book Superhero Instruction Manual before creating this digital class book, you will know that a superhero name sounds much better, sounds more superhero-ish if it has 2 words instead of 1. So, where it says name, I'm going to type my name. But above that, where it says adjective, I'm going to think of another word that could describe my superhero self. I like to come up with a word that begins with the same letter as my name, like amazing Amanda. But you don't have to do that. I just like for my names to alliterate. I could also do awesome Amanda. All right, so now I have my superhero name. Now I'm going to complete the rest of my page. Over here it says how to be a super friend according to, I am going to type my first and last name so that my teacher knows whose page this is. And then I'm going to click in the text boxes. I need to think how to be a super friend. If I met a new person and I wanted to be their friend, what are the 3 things I could do to make sure that they wanted to be my friend? I'm going to think of 3 things and describe them in detail. Let's head back to page 1 so you can see what I came up with. I thought maybe you should smile, ask them to play with you, and tell them a funny joke. But in the step 1 box, I didn't just say smile. I added lots of detail. Flash a big smile and say hello. Introduce yourself and shake hands, or maybe even give a hug. Step 2, ask them to play with you. Or even better, ask them what they want to play, or go play what they want. So you see how I added details to just make my writing a little more interesting. Step 3, Tell them a funny joke. Not just a little funny joke, but the funniest one you know. Belly laugh with them. I think if you do those three things, congratulations, super friend. You'll be making friends in no time. At the bottom, there's a next step for you. Together, super friends. What is it that you think super friends would do once they're friends? I said, have fun and make the world a happier place. I hope that you have fun making your page of the How to Be a Super Friend digital class book. Once you have your page completed, you can exit out. You are finished.